guys. Applying the first coat. Always wear protection. This is a SATIN heater. First coating. So after 15 minutes, apply the second. Okay guys, so now we're on our final layer. close to it, another arc for this to dry.
The integrated handlebar finish. So this will be paired with my, look at that color, the all throughout color of a integrated handlebar. Then this will see it beautifully with the black parts on it. So yeah, that's a perfect match for my handlebar and a bike frame. Okay, so see you on my next build on this bike. I will be doing it on my own, assembling the bike. So if you're interested to see that, please subscribe on my and click that bell icon to flag my new video uploads. Okay, so hi guys, this will be removing the tape for a newly painted bike frame. This is a full carbon mountain bike, a Trident Thrust 27.5 plus or a 29er. So we'll just this is will be the unboxing, the removing of the masking tape. Let's see if our tapes are very okay. So that's removing the bottle cage bolt. Yes. So I spent around an hour doing a masking for this paint job. So the very critical are the bearing seats. Okay. So this is already a fully. This is a topper tube. Yeah, good to see that this frame was already repainted. So I'm loving this frame because it has enough stiff solution, and also I masked the rear mounts of the frame because there are the dropper post. Okay. Wow, I love it. I love the end result. Yes, and also forget the rear disc mounting bolts. So okay, so this is the frame, done with the frame. So let's proceed the integrated handlebar. I masked the where the steering tube is mounted to prevent any paint stuck. Yes, I love it. And I wasn't able to remove the handlebar because it's a ODI and it's very hard to remove and to install. That's why I prefer to mask it. Woo. This is the finished product. The, the unboxing of the gifts. Okay, so as you can see, it's a very shiny, beautiful handlebar. Okay, so that's it. A very good matchup for this frame and a handlebar. So I'm going to get closer to you. So that's the removing of the masking tape.